how to make a cut paper snowflake that is round. Get a piece of copy paper, thinner is better, an ice cream lid that fits on your paper, hold it down, carefully trace around the ice cream lid, and then cut it out. You can save your scrap and make some smaller ones if you'd like. Now we need to fold it. We want to have, snowflakes are six-sided, so we want to make sure we have 6 different sections. So the first thing we're going to do is fold it in half like a taco. Smooth it down careful. And then when you're folding, you want to fold this in thirds. So take one part and kind of eyeball that these two are about the same size. Doesn't have to be totally perfect. You can always refold too. So that looks like it's in half. Now flip it over, take the other piece that is just single and flip it back. And you'll see once you smooth it down, it's pretty close, not exact. If you want to refold it and make it perfect, go for it. So this will be like that little Z shape. Now you get to start creating any cuts that you want. Be mindful, littler cuts are going to be a little more delicate looking, and you want to make sure you don't just cut into the snowflake and leave it. You want to cut actual shapes out. So I'm going to start with the outside edge and just do something kind of fun. And there really isn't any wrong way to do it. So there's my outside. I'm going to do a snip in the middle. This will turn into be kind of a star shape in the center. And I like to be creative and make just random little cuts here and there. And you can even add cuts to the inside of your cuts. These are always so pretty. You just want to make sure you're cutting through all of your layers. Otherwise your snowflake's going to look a little strange. And you could even put some hearts inside of your snowflake by cutting half a heart, like so. And let's see what I can do on the other side. Some cuts on the outside too. This makes it look a little more interesting on the outside. And I've got a lot cut away. I could keep going if I want to. Just depends on how detailed and how fancy you want it to be. I think that looks pretty good. There's a lot of cuts in there. So now we need the big reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Open it up real careful. You don't want to rip it after all that hard work. There's half of it. And there's the whole thing. You can kind of spin it around. And there it is. Beautiful and unique. Every one you make. Enjoy making those.